is provided an important tool for electronics manufacturing service providers. Before starting process of assembly, you need to load bill of material and pick and place list for the job. While BoM is your main list of material, pick and place list contains important assembly information like coordinates of each component and how many times it appears on the board. It is very important that both lists corresponds with each other. If there are differences, then you must need to know. The tool we're talking about here solves that problem. In this case, you can see I have loaded BoM and CPL, which is actually pick and place list for this order. By clicking this compare button, I can see comparison result. As you can see in this case, system highlights 3 sets of issues. The first issue is it indicates CPL contains 3 extra placements. And in the second case, it indicates that system sees 2 identical reference designators. Those are used for different parts. And thirdly, multiple components have same coordinates, or they are overlapping with each other. So this is how this comparison tool helps you identify differences between BoM and pick and place lists before you start your assembly manufacturing process.